Good morning, reception.
Good morning, sir. I'm Agent 31962. You have been a very bad boy. You haven't answered all your questions on the Senseless Survey that happened a little while ago. So I'm going to go through them now with you, okay?
No problem.
So why is it called a soap opera when nobody sings?
I cannot answer that question.
What sound does a bunny make?
I don't know, sir. I don't know. I can't say.
If a general is a higher ranking officer than a major, then why is a major illness worse than a general illness?
That's a good question.
So what's the speed of dark?
No, sir, I do not know.
What do you call a male ballerina?
No, I do not have the answer to that one either.
If a pig loses its voice, is it disgruntled? Dad
If
joke.
it loses its voice, I wouldn't think so. No.
If guns don't kill people, people kill people, does that mean that toasters don't toast toast? Toast, toast, toast.
Yes.
So, should they clamp your pants or tow you away if you use a handicapped toilet?
If it's the only cubicle available, I don't think so. All right, why?
They should clamp your pants. Oh, I want to see the cops tow you away out of that toilet.
There's something so funny about that phrase. You're going to clamp your pants.
Yes, and you won't be able to pull your pants up.